Good morning, everyone. I just woke up, and before I even brushed my teeth, I did a full nursing assessment on myself. Airways clear, breathing present, circulation questionable until coffee. I woke up tired, like I work a 12-hour shift in my sleep. My alarm went off, and I said, let me just reposition myself because apparently I am my own patient. I stood up, and my back started giving me a full handover, neck cracking, everything reporting for duty. As a nurse, we don't wake up refreshed. We wake up resuscitated. And if you're a nurse watching this, you already know waking up with no pain is suspicious. So if you woke up tired today, congratulations. Vitals are stable, you are still breathing. That's a win. Now excuse me while I go prepare for work. Bye.